In this video, I take you guys behind the scenes of how I plan my content through Notion. Alright y'all, we are live in Notion, and as you can see here, this is my idea inbox. This is where I go to jot down ideas I may have pertaining to business or content. And as you can see down below is phases where I would take said idea and drag it into different phases. And for example, let's take this video where I talk about Caitlin Clark's impact on the WNBA. I've been watching a lot of WNBA lately, but that's besides the point. So we drag this video down to the planning stage. Now in the planning stage, this is just fleshing out, how I want the video to look, each planning phase, whether that's script writing or researching, planning and finalizing the script for the video. Also thumbnails, like that's a part of my planning process. And then I drag it over here to the finalizing process. This is where I'm finalizing the scripts. I have the thumbnail ready to go. I've done all my research. I have that script ready to go. And then moving on to the executing stage, this is where I go and record, edit, and schedule my video. If you would like a free template of this Notion workflow, comment Notion down below. Back to the video. Now let me take you to my YouTube. No, let's go to the Empowered to Create wiki. This is basically my database full of information, that's pertaining to business, research articles, content creation, graphic design, marketing, branding strategy, and content planning. Also digital products, which I do want to start creating digital products very soon. I do want to start creating digital products and having them listed on my website. I guess I need to find time for that. And also office planning, that's to be determined in the future. All right, so moving on to YouTube content. This is where I go to plan out my YouTube content. And as you can see here, I have content from January, February, March, April. I skipped May and June, but that's besides the point. But I'm trying to get back into the swing of things, y'all. It's been rough. It's been rough. I've been trying to get back into creating content, but hey, that's the past. We're moving on. All right, so we are in the month of July right now, July of 2024. And for July 2024, I have how I plan my content through Notion. You have Opus Clip. This is basically an Opus Clip tutorial, how I take a long form video and convert it to a short form video. Now, maximizing your social media impact on a tight budget and having a website that is critical for your business. Now, as you can see, I have it sorted out by record date, July 8th, 2024. I like to bulk record. I like to record all my videos in one day. And I separate them by air date. And if I'm recording on July 8th, this video goes out on July the 10th. And the next video goes out on the 17th. It's once a week. I have videos for July 10th, 17th, 24th, and 31st. And I have them separated by category, the process. Now, what the process is basically the vlog style videos that I do, like I've been doing recently, where I take you guys behind the scenes on me doing various things pertaining to Empowered to Create and how to, self-explanatory, how-to videos on using various products and various apps and what have you. And strategy session. This is my in-depth. These videos are more in-depth, where I go and talk about content strategy and marketing strategy, graphic design, branding, all of those different elements of growing your business on social media. And also promotion. This is videos where I promote my products and services. I try to include a promotional video. Going forward, you'll probably see this at least once a month, because I'm a business owner. I have business. And we have videos from July all the way to September. I still need to go in and flesh out these videos. I'm very excited to dive deep into these videos. I know it's going to take a lot of research for me to, fully flesh out these videos to my liking. A lot of planning goes into making these videos happen. Now, one thing I really got to get better at is actually executing, doing what I said what I was going to do. So, July, August, September, second quarter of the year. Well, no, this is the third quarter of the year. But anyway, y'all, that's my Notion workflow. All right, y'all, that was a brief look at my Notion workflow and how I plan my content through Notion. Now, I highly recommend y'all use Notion. Like, it is a game changer. I'm telling you. Now, moving on to the next phase of the planning process is hitting that record button. You all will see that in the next video where I take you guys behind the scenes of recording my YouTube videos. If you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, click that subscribe button, and I'll be back for more. Now, remember, if no one else told you, you matter. You were put on this earth to do great things.